Welcome to another cosmic journey. Did you know that Venus, often referred to as Earth's evil twin, may be far more volcanically active than we ever imagined? Thanks to NASA's Magellan mission, scientists have uncovered new evidence of active volcanic eruptions on Venus. Let's dive into its scorching atmosphere, unique rotation, and groundbreaking discoveries about its fiery nature and potential for life. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, orbiting at a distance of about 67 million miles. It's similar in size to Earth, with a diameter of about 7,521 miles. But that's where the similarities end. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures soaring up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Beneath its thick sulfuric acid clouds are volcanoes, mountains, and a volcanic landscape shaped by intense geological activity. NASA's Magellan spacecraft, which mapped 98% of Venus's surface using radar in the 1990s, provided the most detailed images of the planet to date. Decades later, researchers analyzing this data have discovered evidence of volcanic eruptions during Magellan's orbit between 1990 and 1992. These findings have reignited interest in Venus's fiery nature. Did you know? Famed astronomer Carl Sagan once referred to Venus as a runaway greenhouse effect in action, a stark reminder of what could happen to Earth if climate change went unchecked. Why is Venus so unbearably hot? The answer lies in its runaway greenhouse effect. Venus's thick atmosphere, made up mostly of carbon dioxide, traps heat from the sun and prevents it from escaping. This creates a feedback loop of ever-increasing temperatures. On Earth, the greenhouse effect sustains life, but on Venus, it's gone completely out of control, turning the surface into an inferno. This extreme environment is further compounded by the presence of sulfuric acid clouds, which reflect sunlight and contribute to the planet's bright appearance. Despite these hostile conditions, studying Venus's atmosphere helps us better understand climate change and atmospheric chemistry on Earth and beyond. Another fascinating feature of Venus is its rotation. A day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its year, which is only 225 Earth days. Even more unusual, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets, so the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Imagine waiting 117 Earth days for just one sunrise. This peculiar rotation also affects Venus's weather patterns, with winds reaching speeds of up to 224 miles per hour in the upper atmosphere. Venus's slow surface rotation contrasts sharply with its atmospheric dynamics, creating unique and complex interactions. Recent studies analyzing Magellan's data have confirmed volcanic activity on Venus, focusing on two major locations, Sif Mons and Niobe Planitia. Changes in radar backscatter data revealed the formation of new rock between 1990 and 1992, likely due to lava flows. These volcanic eruptions are similar in scale to Earth's volcanoes. For example, the eruption at Sif Mons spread new rock across 12 square miles, about the size of 36,000 Olympic swimming pools. This discovery builds on a 2023 finding of changes at Mons, Venus's largest volcano. Together, they suggest that Venus might be far more geologically active than previously thought, reshaping our understanding of its evolution. Some researchers even speculate that Venus may experience periodic global resurfacing events due to widespread volcanic activity. While the surface of Venus is inhospitable, its upper atmosphere is surprisingly temperate. About 30 miles above the surface, temperatures range from 86 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This has led some scientists to speculate about the potential for microbial life in Venus's upper clouds. These clouds also feature mysterious dark streaks, which remain unexplained. Could these streaks harbor extremophiles, microorganisms capable of surviving in harsh conditions. It's an exciting possibility that continues to fuel scientific curiosity. Astrobiologist David Grinspoon remarked, "Venus offers a tantalizing hint of habitability, even in its clouds of acid. It forces us to broaden our understanding of where life could exist in the cosmos." Venus has captured the imagination of humanity for millennia. Named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus is the only planet named after a female deity. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Greeks observed Venus as both the morning star and the evening star, depending on its position relative to the Sun and Earth. Its brilliant shine has made it a constant source of wonder in our night skies. Galileo Galilei's observation of Venus's phases through his telescope was groundbreaking, proving the heliocentric model of the solar system. Venus's visibility in the sky continues to inspire stargazers and poets alike. Venus orbits the Sun at an average distance of 67 million miles. From Earth, it can appear as close as 24 million miles, or as far as 162 million miles. When Venus is at its closest, it's the brightest object in the night sky after the Moon. Through a telescope, Venus reveals phases like the Moon, a discovery by Galileo that helped prove the heliocentric model of our solar system. While Venus doesn't have any moons, it does have a quasi-satellite named Zoozve. Discovered in 2002, this asteroid orbits the Sun but stays close to Venus. Although its orbit isn't as stable as a true moon's, Zoozve has likely been Venus's companion for thousands of years. Studying Zoozve could provide insights into the early solar system and Venus's gravitational influence. Venus's internal structure is strikingly similar to Earth's. Both planets have an iron core surrounded by a mantle of hot rock and a thin crust. However, while Earth experiences plate tectonics, Venus appears to have a stagnant lid, a solid crust without shifting plates. This difference has profound implications for Venus's volcanic activity and geological evolution. The discoveries from Magellan have set the stage for NASA's upcoming VERITAS mission. Scheduled to launch in the coming years, VERITAS will use advanced radar and infrared tools to map Venus in unprecedented detail. This mission aims to confirm whether Venus is still volcanically active, study its internal structure, and explore its geological history. VERITAS could revolutionize our understanding of this enigmatic world. Studying Venus isn't just about understanding one planet, it's about understanding our entire solar system. By comparing Venus's extreme conditions to Earth's, scientists can learn more about planetary formation, climate change, and the potential for life on other worlds. Could Venus have been habitable in the distant past? And what can it teach us about the future of our own planet?
Thanks for joining us on this journey through Venus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cosmic explorations. Have any questions or thoughts about Venus? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep looking up.
This has been a cosmic adventure brought to you by Voyager. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.